So, Happy Forex and Jeffrey Benson both recently purchased a Ferrari SF90, which costs approximately $1 million. That is a whopping 1.4 billion naira each. And in the video they posted online, they knowingly or unknowingly shared a deep secret.
Even if you're using big lot size or something, that your money cannot afford any car.
Yes, you heard that right. Trading alone may not be able to get you this type of success. And they have indirectly highlighted the importance of referral and affiliate commissions. And that brings us to the main topic of this video. Taking a look at my screen right now, you will see that I have accumulated over 1 million naira in affiliate commission on the Monica app. And even you can get a result like this, especially now that the referral commission has gone as high as 3,000 naira for each and every person you refer on the Monica app and who makes a verified BTC deposit. Now, just before you download or start telling people to download the Monica app, you may want to know what this Monica app is actually used for and why the likes of Egungun of Lagos, the General, and even the legendary Jude Igalo carry this Monica app for their head. The Monica app is used for instant crypto to Naira conversion at a good rate, eliminating the stress and the risk associated with Naira to crypto P2P. And lest I forget, you can also top up your mobile data, buy airtime, cable TV subscription like your DSTV, GoTV, and the rest on the Monica app. So right now, I open the Monica app and then I sign in with my biometrics. Right here, you can see that I have a current balance of 350,000 naira. Okay, if you look at my history right here, you can see how I've been earning all this while. Okay, even though all of these are not just referral commission, but a huge chunk of them are from referral commissions. Okay, look at this credit 3,000. Let's click on it. Look at this, you can see 3,000 referral bonus. Okay, you can see. Simply come to profile right here, click on profile, and up here you are going to see refer and earn. So if you click on refer and earn, you are going to see your referral code. So just scroll up a little, you're going to see your referral code right here. Okay, if you want to see how far you've done, okay, or how your referral is doing, click on view performance. So you can start sharing your code, okay, yeah, for your friends and family to sign up through you.